What's up guys, welcome to your 64th Java tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add checkboxes to your GUI. And yes, it's going to be awesome, so pay attention. So I already got my imports right there. If you want to copy those, go ahead, but I'm going to go ahead and minimize that right now. So if you need to copy them, pause your screen, but if not, see you later. They're annoying me. So now I already made this class called GUI, and it extends screen. So now we got that text field right there. Now we can go ahead and make our two little checkboxes to add to the screen underneath it. So let's go ahead and make bold box, or whatever you named your variable, and let's go ahead and set this equal to new JCheckBox, just like that. And the parameters it takes, anytime you make a checkbox, there's going to be a little thing to the right hand side of it, or else you're not going to know what the heck it does. So it's like a little prompt to tell you what this text box does, or a checkbox does. I'm just going to say bold because, I mean, you don't need any more instructions than that. And let's go ahead and do the skin with the italic box. So copy this because we're lazy, and paste it in italic box. I think that's what I named it. Yep. And just put italics or italicize or something like that. And now let's go ahead and add both of these to the screen. Add bold box to the screen, and add, let me scroll down a little bit. There we go, right there. Add italic box to the screen. There we go. So now we have pretty much three things on the screen: a text field and two checkboxes underneath it. The thing is, they're just chilling on the screen right now, not really doing anything. So what we need to do is add some functionality to it. So just like before, we're going to create a new class called handler class, and we're going to name the object handler and set it equal to new handler class, just like that. And even though we didn't create that class yet, we're going to use it later on. So now let's go ahead and add an item listener for it. So bold, what do we name? Bold box dot. Whoa! I did not mean to type that. Add item listener, and what are we gonna add? It's parameter. So now let's do the same thing. Actually, copy and paste. Now we can do the same thing right here with italics. So this pretty much, now that we have added an action, or excuse me, an item listener, we have a listener waiting and something to happen to bold box or italic box, and the only thing that can happen is you can click it. So now something's going to happen and it's going to wait to be clicked, and when it gets clicked, it's going to recognize that it gets clicked. So now that we are able to recognize when it gets clicked, let's go ahead and make something happen when it gets clicked. I mean, you can recognize it, so might as well. So the first thing we need to do is create a private when you click this checkbox, here's what happens. When you click the other one, here's what happens. When you click them both, here's what happens to the text. But for now, that's it for this tutorial. I'm running out of time, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.